This video is a tutorial on how to use the A-channel dry contact module. The demo setup includes our system power module, the smart gateway, the A-channel switch module, and the A-channel dry contact module. First, we set the device ID for the switch module. The dry contact module must be powered on before setting its ID. Now, we use our bus connector to connect the gateway and the switch module. Then we use our 4-core cable to connect the switch module and the dry contact module. Next, we power on the system. As you can see, all power indicators are on. This dry contact module needs to be set to ID2. Press and hold the ID set button until the indicator starts flashing. Short press to increase the value until it reaches 2. Press and hold again to switch to the 10th digit setting. Short press to set it to 0. Finally, press and hold again when the number stops flashing and the number indicator rotates. The ID setting is completed. Now we connect the gateway to the computer using a network cable. The gateway is directly connected to the computer. Double-click to run our editor software. Click the search icon to search for the gateway. Here is the IP address of our gateway, as well as the 2 bus devices. Import the gateway into the project. Double-click the IP address to get the real-time status. Here we can see the firmware version and the online status. Click Device 1 to view its port information. Click Device 2 to view its port information as well. Now we go to the SIM settings section. Click the plus icon to create SIM 1. First, we create an all-on SIM. Add device 1, port 1. And set the section to on. Click the plus icon to add all 8 circuits. Next, copy the SIM to create an all-off SIM. After copying, change the action from on to off. Left-click once, and drag to apply the same setting to all circuits. Now we create 2 more SIMs. For the half-on SIM, the first 4 circuits are on, and the last 4 circuits are off. For the half-off SIM, the first 4 circuits are off, and the last 4 circuits are on. Now we have created 4 scenes. Next, we go to the panel settings to bind the functions to the I/O circuits. For I/O circuit 1, when it is closed, the all-on scene is triggered. When it is released, the all-off scene is triggered. For I/O circuit 2, when it is closed, the half-on scene is triggered. When it is released, the half-off scene is triggered. After completing the settings, we compile and upload the project to the gateway. When the program's bar reaches 100%, the gateway will restart, which usually takes about 30 seconds. After the restart is complete, the program has been successfully uploaded. Now we use the terminal wire to demonstrate the I/O operation. When I/O circuit 1 is closed, all on is triggered. When released, all off is triggered. When I/O circuit 2 is closed, half on is triggered. When released, half off is triggered.